Osmo 360. Underwater usage notes. Before use. Before using the camera underwater, check the maximum waterproof depth of the camera. Make sure all protective covers are firmly closed. Cleaning. Rinse the camera with clean water after using it underwater. Wipe the surface of the camera with a soft and dry cloth. Completely dry it before using it again. After using the camera in water, open the battery compartment cover facing downward to prevent water from entering the battery compartment when replacing the battery. Wipe off any water droplets in the battery compartment and clean the red waterproof rubber ring to prevent any foreign matter from remaining. Otherwise, it will affect the waterproof performance during subsequent use. Do not dry the camera with hot air by using a hairdryer.